Good evening. Today I'm going to talk about a problem that is affecting our planet. Deforestation. Deforestation not only affects trees and plants, but yes, animals, and especially the ones that are living nearby where the action takes place. Deforestation is due because in a food chain or in a food web, plants are the first producer, and if the first consumer they don't have anything to eat, they will die, and so on and so on. Another issue is that also deforestation helps global warming, and this is another concern that us humans we are facing. If deforestation stops, the world will stop having environmental issues and risks. But if the problem does not stop and it continues growing, the ones who are inhabiting the planet can have serious risks of disappearing. Deforestation is putting our planet and us in danger, and I believe there is a way to stop it. But the thing is, it has become so huge that people they don't have a clue how to start. I believe that all the countries that are facing should meet and discuss and implement rules. How can they begin to reduce it? If we start reducing little by little, maybe one day in the future, this problem will not exist anymore. The top 10 countries that are most affected by deforestation, as found at the Manga Bay website, in order from most to least. First one, Bolivia. Second, Brazil. And then as a bronze medal, Indonesia. And then Mexico. And then Papua New Guinea. And then Peru. And then Russia. And then Sudan. And then the United States. So, all these countries, they need to create a group so that after it, as a second stage, as a second step, they can implement rules and regulations and create a severe punishment for the ones that will be caught doing it. Also, they need to create strategies how it will be done. As a third step, they need to create a budget. They need also, before, find sponsorships and non-governmental organizations that want to contribute the money so that they can gather all the equipment and people to hire. Also, in this stage, they need to seek for volunteers, all the ones that love nature and want to help. At the fourth stage, they need to act. They need to look for the ones who are cutting down the trees and punish them. Also, they need to work and be in the rainforests so that no one can do it more. And as the fifth stage, 6 months later, after data has been done, they get together and analyze to see if in 6 months deforestation has been reduced. The budget is something that concerns because some countries are facing depression. But non-governmental organizations that help to combat these problems should also be part of the group created by the countries, and that they will be able to give some money and create more people that want to donate money and attributes. The countries should also give money to be able to implement these new ideas, all the countries that will be involved. And as a third thing, the countries, the government from each country should advertise campaigns to work for the volunteers and also collect money and also to share the information around through medias, for example. Another way to seek for volunteers is students' help. Nowadays, in universities, students are taking classes, for example, for sustainability and technology, and as Kendall does. So if the classes and university oblige them to contribute, and for example, 30 hours as volunteer work for sustainability, for helping deforestation in a period of the 4 years they're going to be graduating, will be also a help. Students not only are volunteer, but yes, they are learning as they volunteer, not in class, but as an action. This will be good. And then they can develop projects and also be part of a green community, for example. I hope this small video can show that some people are wanting to take action and wanting to help. And I hope this proposal will show you and help you to motivate and start doing something to help decrease deforestation.